We're going to have a mini lesson on perimeter. Yesterday we talked about perimeter a little bit, and today I would like for you to get out your math journal and something to write with. So grab those two things that you need, and if you need to pause this video, go ahead and pause it. Otherwise, we will get set to go. Okay, so go to your next little page in your math journal, and I would like you to write the word perimeter at the top. P-E-R-I-M-E-T-E-R, perimeter. And I like to think of it as, you can see the word rim in perimeter. It's the distance around. When you're playing basketball, there's a rim at the top, so it's the distance around the rim is the perimeter. Perimeter. And underneath perimeter, I want you to write the distance around something. We are going to be measuring, using a measuring tool, to measure the distance around something. And in math, we're going to be mostly working with shapes, the distance around different shapes. Okay, so go ahead and write that down. And a great example of when in real life you would need to know the perimeter of something is when you're talking about buying a fence for your yard. You need to know the distance around your whole yard to know how much fence you're going to need. So you're going to have to measure. Okay, so these are your notes that you're writing in your math journal. So the distance around something is the perimeter. Let's look at a few shapes, okay? Let's look at a square. Now we know square, all four sides are the same length. So it doesn't matter which side I point to on a square, they're all the same length. So if I say this side is 2, then that means all the sides are 2. So it'd be pretty easy to figure out the perimeter of this shape because we know it's going to be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And we can skip count. 2, 4, 6, 8. The perimeter around this square is 8. And most of the times it'll be labeled with inches, centimeters, meters, feet, okay? Let's go with a rectangle. Go ahead and draw a rectangle the best you can. And we know a rectangle, 2 parallel sides. So we've got a set here and a set here. And the sides across from each other are always the same length. So if we know if this side's 1, then this side's going to be 1. And if this side is 3, this side is going to be 3. And to find the perimeter of that rectangle, you're going to add up all of those numbers. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 5, add 3 more is 8. So the perimeter around the rectangle is 8. And we'll keep working with perimeter. And I also want you to watch the next little video on your Canvas page for today. See you soon.